Let ABC are reals, which of the following values of ABC do not result in the convergence of this series? Option A is mod A less than 1, B coming from real and C is also A equal to 1, B greater than 1 and C is any real, A equal to 1, B greater than equal to 0 and C less than 1, A greater than minus 1, B greater than equal to 0 and C greater than 0. The beauty of this question, it seems sometimes hard if you are going to approach this question in general. Why this question is hard or asked in this type of typical question in exam? Because every exam, either in India or in foreign countries or international countries, most of exams are time bound, and in time bound exam some question are very easy, means basic concept, and some question are tricky to balance the time of the question paper and maintain the student rank. If you are going to solve this problem in general, then you may lead a wrong answer, because if you choose, you can say options A, B, C, D, values of A according to option A, if you took negative, then this is alternating series. It will be alternating series when A is less than 1, uh, particularly A equal to minus half. And you have many results for positive term series, and for alternating series you have either Leibniz test or one or two more tests to justify or solve this problem. So whenever you you are going to see this type of problem in exam, always try to solve this type of problem by discarding option. So take one by one option and try to choose correct option. This is a series n equal to 3 to infinity a raised to the power n raised to the power b, and log e n raised to the power c. Always make this term in numerator 1, and you can make numerator 1 if you choose equal to half, as in option we are first solving option A, if equal to half, and b and c are any real number, so b equal to 1, because easiest number we always choose whenever we are free, either 0 or 1. B equal to 1, and suppose c equal to 0, then this series will be 1 upon 2 raised to the power n into n. This is the series, and it will be less than or equal to 1 upon 2 raised to the power n, and this is geometric series. This is geometric series when you apply summation on both sides, and it will be convergent. So option A discard here, because we have, if you apply ratio test, root test, or condensation test, whatever the test, they are for positive term series, and always try to solve, make numerator 1 in option B, because I got option A wrong. Now come to option B, A equal to 1, B greater than 1, and C is an real number. So again, choose A equal to 1, it is perfect. B greater than 1, so particularly B take 2, and C suppose 0 or 1. So C is 0, then summation 1 upon n square, and this is convergent. By comparison test, given series will be convergent. So option B is discard, because we want values of ABC such that they do not lead this series to a convergent series. Now A and B is not our right choices. Now come to option C. Value of A is 1, B greater than 0 or equal to 0, and C less than 1. I'm going to take this problem on next page so you can see better. For option C, A is 1, then 1 upon n, and B is greater than equal to 0, then take B. A is 1, B equal to 2, and C is less than 1. C is less than 1, so you can take C equal to 0. So series we obtain like this, and this is convergent, but we want not convergent. So this may be right, or you can choose value of B like that. If B is 1, uh, if I choose B is 1, then this will be like this, means summation 1 upon n, and we know that this series is divergent, and by comparison test, this series is divergent. So asked about convergence, do not convergence. So it may be right, it may be right now, or do not. So if I got a single values of ABC which are not leading this problem convergent or leading to a divergent, then we are fine. So option C will be true. Now you can check option D. Value of A is -1. Then again it will be a this series will be alternating series. Value of B greater than equal to 0 and C greater than 0. So -1 raised to the power n, B is greater than equal to 0. So take value of B is 1 for option D, and value of C you can take C again 1. So this is alternating series -1 raised to the power n, n log n. It is alternating series, and after making terms positive, it will convert into positive term series, and the nth term of this positive term series will be 1 upon n log n, and this is less than equal to 1 upon n, and this is divergent, or you can say, because log n less than n for all n greater than 2, then 1 upon log n will be greater than 1 upon n. So you can take n square, and this is convergent, this is convergent. So by comparison test it will be convergent. So option D is also saying convergent. So only option C is right one.